If you were in an accident recently, then you know what a confusing time it can be. Should you call a lawyer or not? Should you see a doctor or not? Is your insurance company going to cover your bills? So many questions. Your head is spinning. Valley attorney Joseph Brown, he is here to help you answer those questions and others, and he has a unique background that will definitely benefit you. So why should we hire an attorney after an accident?
Well, first, I think you said it perfectly. Your head's spinning. We take a lot of that out. Let us handle all those issues. We can, get you to a place to get your car fixed. If you need help getting to a doctor, we can get you to someone that'll wait to be paid. We can handle all the calls from the insurance company. So really, that takes a lot of that spinning out. Let you just focus on getting better.
Yeah, it was. I shared with you about 13 years ago. I was in a very bad crash, and it was about 2 to 3 days before I actually picked up the phone and called an attorney. I waited too long, I'm going to be honest with you, because it was crazy those first 2 to 3 days.
You know what? Not as long as many, but you're right. Those first 3 days is just out of control. In fact, someone I had met with on Friday was in an accident the day before. The insurance company's blown up their phone today. I mean, I've sent off a letter to the insurance company. I've faxed them a letter. They know we're involved, but yet they're still calling the insured. So they're insured trying to get information.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Why does that happen? Because that was happening to me. You know, I'm trying to recover, and my family's upset, and we're trying to get work. And it was just these constant calls from these insurance adjusters.
Well, as an adjuster, when I was an adjuster, they taught us the sooner you settle a case, the less money they pay. In addition, you are not thinking clearly. So they're going to ask you questions that you may not answer correctly,
right,
which will hurt your case.
Absolutely.
They'll want to do a recorded statement to ask you questions about the injuries, or ask you questions about what happened in the accident, all devised at how to limit how much money they have to pay you.
So what's been your personal experience with people who hire an accident attorney?
Well, I think personally and professionally, when I was an adjuster, they taught us people who have attorneys do better than people who don't. So that's also been backed up by a couple of different studies that show people who have attorneys obviously get more money in their settlement, their injury settlement, than people who don't. And then most importantly, it just takes it off your plate.
Right.
You know, it really lets you just focus. So many of my clients say at the end, you know what, I just didn't realize how much this was. And then as soon as you took it off the plate within a day or two, I felt like a deep breath, and I could then really just focus on getting to the doctor and getting better.
And you said it, you've been on both sides of this fight, and,
yes,
and I know you like this side a little bit better. What have you learned? What experience have you taken with you to be, when you're now as the attorney representing some of these folks?
Well, I like this side way better, let's be honest. But the experience, I understand what the adjuster's going through. I understand the buttons to push, the information that maybe some attorneys don't understand, like what is the driving force as an insurance adjuster? What will make their boss maybe give a little bit more money on a case? Recently had a case with an adjuster, and I was like, we are not taking this offer.
They gave you an offer that was low?
They gave a very poor offer, and it was a first-party claim, a claim against my client's insurance company. My client needed to settle. He just recently lost his job, so he needed the money, and I said, let me work a little bit here, and he gave me a week or two to work, and I went to the adjuster, and I went to the supervisor and said, we're not taking this. And turns out she advised me, she's like, I researched you. I realized you were an adjuster, and I knew certain buttons to push regarding the policy and things like that was able to get us an extra $12,000, $15,000 on the case.
Yeah, and what makes you guys different quickly?
Oh, personal contact, my experience, as well as the fact that you always meet with an attorney. Attorney handles your negotiations. You're always talking with your lawyer.
That's right. They look him up, and they know, so they know to give you the right offer. Thank you so much. Let's give you some information. Accident Law Group, they have 2 locations, 3923 South McClintock Drive, Suite 400 in Tempe. They also have a location at 15650 North Black Canyon Highway, Suite 155B. That location is in Phoenix. The phone number to call, 602-262-4ALG, or visit their website, accidentlawgroup.com.